afternoon, kids. In SM City Diet. Hello, kids. Hi, everyone. Let's all welcome the startup to Lala Chan. Hello, kids. Lala Chan is here. Hi. Okay, come here, kids. Let's follow Lala Chan. Pangalan kay Lala Chan. Kami Lala Chan. Make way for Lala Chan. Pila po kayo sa likuran. Ayan. Okay, pila po muna kayo sa likuran. Okay, kids. Pila lang po kayo sa likuran. Okay, Lala Chan, let's invite the kids here in the ballroom area. Hello, kids. Lala Chan is inviting you to come and join us here in our Lala Parade. Come on, kids. Let's go. Okay. Dito po kayo lang sa likuran ni Lala Chan. Let's go, Marine, and let's go. Ayan, po, Marine. Let's go. Hey. Okay, dito po kayo lang sa ballroom area. Hello, kids. Good to see you all. Lala Chan is inviting you to come. Ayan, magkakaroon po tayo ng activity this afternoon. Hello, kid, let's go! Hi! Alright. Okay, kids, once you're here, raise your hands. Raise your hands! Okay na, dito po na tayo sa harap ng Lala Chan. Later na lang po tayo. Ayan. Okay, kids, please, hands up. Okay, Lala Chan, let's meet again the kids here. Alright, all the kids here in the ballroom, Toy Mother and Naughty Kitty. Lala Chan is inviting you to come here and come with us. Pagkakang mo ng 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, tama natin kids, Lala Chan. Sana kasi kaya natin naman po sa Olga Brothers, dito naman tayo na sa labas. Para maximize po ng kids natin ang ating event. Mommies, parents, and doctors, dito naman tayo sa labas. Thank you so much po para maximize naman ng kids natin ang ating event area. Thank you po ito po mga natin. And once again, to ating guidance po. Dito po muna tayo, mami. Thank you so much. Hello, kids! Hi! Okay, daming kids na rin Lala Chan. Lala Chan, are you ready? How about the kids? Are you excited? I am excited na sila. But before anything else, magpapakilala muna kami. Kami ng event here. My name is Kuya Edgy, and I will be your host for today. I am with Auntie Mort and Auntie Eva. Ayan. Okay, so now let's all give our attention to our main character, of course. Let's all pop the roll. Things we love. Lala Chan! Ayan, so hi lang kay Lala Chan, kids. Ayan, ang kukulit ng kids natin, Lala Chan. Okay, so ano yung Lala Chan? Ano yun? Okay, kids, sabihin mo sa akin sila. Ito po mahilig mag-dance. Kasi kumain. Ayan. So, na ngayon, pag-unaman muna namin sa inyo ang steps ng warm-up dance. Now, to do is, listen muna kayo and watch Lala Chan carefully. Okay? So, Lala Chan, ang first step ng ating warm-up dance is place your hands like this and touch, wash your feet out, wash your shoulder, wash your head, wash your shoulder. Next natin, Lala Chan. Touch your tummy, touch your back, touch your tummy, touch your back. Gagawin po natin yun 2 times na. Okay, kids, are you ready? Are you ready to dance? Okay, let's go. Okay, everyone, music please. Everybody march, 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 march. Yeah. Abby. Let's go, jump. Jump. One, two, and right. What's your hand? Show it. Show it. Abby. Abby. One, two. Right. Hey! Very good. Everybody clap your hands. Good job. So now sit down muna, kids. Are you ready? Sit down muna. Ayan. Good work. Sit down. Good job. Okay, kids, hands up. Shake, shake, shake. Good job. So now we have a game for you. Sino excited na maglaro with Lala Chan? Ayan. Okay, so we have a game. Ano kaya ang tawag sa game natin? Sino nang nakakaalam? Ayan. Okay. Nantayin na lang natin si ate habang pumunta dito sa counter, sa event area. Para ma-demo sa atin ang ating game. Okay, kids, so now, all you have to do is watch and listen carefully muna. Ha? Ayan. Ate Eva? Okay, yun na natin, kids. So, ano nga po ang game natin ngayon? Tago? War! So, it's our game for today is Tag of War. We have two teams. So, ang team ni Ate Marge, of course, ang team ni Ate Eva. Dito ikaw na siya. Kids, sit down muna kayo and listen carefully. Ayan, okay. So, I have my flag. Here, anong kulay ng flag ko? Anong kulay nilalat siya? Anong kulay ng rope? Red. Okay, so, ngayon, ito mo sa atin ang game mechanics. Ano? Meron tayong Team A at Team B. Ate Mars, Team A, Ate Eva. Okay, next. Okay, when I count in 3, 2, 1, ipupull nyo as hard as you can. 1, 3, 2, 1, go! Go, go! Sit down muna kayo, kids. Okay. Kung kaninong team papunta ang matter natin dito, sila ay magkakaroon na 1 point. Okay, so in this game, all you have to do is to get 2 points para manalo. Is that clear? Okay, clear. Okay. Yeah. So kids, this time naman, ano yung let's fun. Ayan, hindi na ulit sa akin kids sila. Let's mag-listen ulit kayo, okay? Lalat siya dito pa sa harapan. Ayan, ano yung lalat siya request safety reminders natin? Ano daw yung kids? Okay kids, ano daw po yan? No? No jumping. Okay, next natin lalat siya. No? No pushing. Very good. And next natin lalat siya. Kids, ano yung ipupull natin? Pull the rope carefully and hold the rope firmly. Okay? And last and the most important lalat siya. And the rest of the game. Okay, so next, na raise your hands. Alright, so now everybody stand up. Let's group you into 2 teams. Ayan. Okay. Team A, you'll be Akin. And Akin, you will be Ate Marge. Tayo dito, good. Find your teammates na ba? Ayan. Magkakount ako ng 10, tapos ako yung buhay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Halos sa napita natin yung team A. Hi, team A! Hi! Okay. Sabi sa akin kayo nilalalat yan, may sisigado po kayo. Ano yung Ate Eva? Okay na mo yan. Go, team A! Go, team A! Kaya naman, ano ba? Good job! Dito naman tayo sa team B. Hello, team B! Hi! Okay, so kung may sinisila ang team A, siyempre meron din ang team B. Ano yun, mga Pinoy? Let's go, Team B! Let's go! Brother! Let's go, Team B! Okay, dahil siya, magpapaganda ng shows nila. Champions, ano? Sa retro tayo maglalaro. Don't forget the safety reminders. Walang tatalon, walang manumula. Maglalaro tayo, mag-enjoy lang tayo. Okay? Sige, ano na kami nila, chat? Susunod na? Susunod na? Team B. Let's go! Let's go! Team B! Go Team B! Go Team B! Go Team B! Go Team B! Let's go Team B! Go Team B! Yes! Very good, yes! Okay, Guys, are you ready? Okay, let's go. In 3, 2, 1, go! 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everybody, raise your hand. Ayan, okay na po. Lahat po isa na. Congratulations, mga kapatid. Sino ang nanalo sa third round natin? Congratulations, Chloe! Okay, asa natin yung lapitin natin na siya. Hi! Para sa nabibigyan natin ng 5 laps and a good time ang Team B. Okay, so let's go in 3, 2, 1. Everybody clap your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Okay, Alexa. Asa ng Team A? Okay, so bigyan natin ang aming Team B. Bigyan natin sila ng 3 laps and a good job. Okay, let's go in 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Okay, back to the lines. Babalik na tayo sa ating mga area. Okay, please proceed with your kids. Okay, one by one, we form a line. Ours forward. Kaya po galit sa table. Ayan. Table. Ayan. Okay, sino ba ang gusto maglaro? Asa na sa Team A? Asa na ang Team B? Okay, guys na, aning ba? Ayan, nandito na sila lahat, nalat yan. Ayan, dito muna tayo lahat, kids. Okay, dito muna tayo sila, lahat sa harapan, nalat yan. Okay, asa na ang Team A? Ang Team B? Ayan, sino bang gusto maglaro po? Taas ang kamay! Okay. Late, ay, may lalat siya. Ano yun? Ibili mo sa akin kit si lalat siya. Okay, sino ba po gusto bang mag-dance ulit? After that, meron kayong marireceive na gift from lalat siya. Okay? So, hintayin na lang natin ang music natin. So, ayusin lang natin ang langas natin. Ayan. Okay. Okay, guys. Taas ang kamay. Taas ang kamay. Dito kayo, dito kayo. Ayan, taas ang kamay. Okay, yun ang ako kayo. Mag-dance tayo, mag-dance. Ayan, taas ang kamay. Okay, let's get ready to jump. Let's go, boys. Let's go, girls. Hi. Right side. How do you do that? How do you do that? And jump. Ako sa ito. Okay, boys. Eyes up. Everybody, close your eyes. All right, let's go. Hey, shot. Very good. All right, guys. Let's clap your hands. Sit down na tayo. Sit down naman tayo. Very good naman. Okay, ang babayad ng kids natin ngayon. Dito natin kayo ng ate dito. Okay, kids. Makikita niyo ba ito? Ano ito? Ano po rin ang box? Ano po rin nilalat siya? Okay, sino excited buksan ng box? Ayan, so now, para mabuksan natin ang box, makikinig po kayo ng maayos. kuya. Sit down po muna, sit down. Ayan. Okay, kids. Sit down na muna tayo. Lalatsan na naman ipapagla mo sa kanila lalatsan. Okay, kids. Ano daw yung gagawin na? Cover your eyes. And pagtabihan ko ng 3, 2, 1, lahat tayo sisigaw na open! Dapat malakas para magbukas, okay? Practice tayo. Everybody close your eyes. Cover your eyes. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Okay, lalatsan, pwede na ba yun? Pwede na daw, pero kung mas malakas, mas maganda ba? Okay, let's go. One more. Cover your eyes. Okay, wait for my count. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Surprise! Okay, kids. Pag meron na kayo, balik kayo sa upuan. Okay. Okay, later na po, later na.
Oy, balik kayo, baby ko, balik.
Later na lang po, later. Para. Okay. Later na lang po ang mga hindi nakakuha. Ayan. Dito muna tayo ate. Ayan. Okay, sa mga hindi pa nakakuha. Later na lang po flowers, ang gifts ninyo pa. Balik kay ate ate. Okay, taas na yung balloons. Ayan. Okay, parents and guardians. Bibigyan ka natin. Okay, parents and guardians po, dito na lang po tayo sa harap ha. Magpipicture po tayo with lalatsan. Okay. Okay, kids, sit down na muna kayo. Okay. Once again, parents and guardians po, please push po sa harap ha. Para po mapicturean niyo po na maayos ang inyong mga kids. Yeah. So kids, when I say kids Zuna, we will shout, hooray, and face your mommy, give your biggest smile. Ayan na po yung colors, ayan give. Okay, pasa lang po ng kamay, ang wala pa. Kamay mo yan. Okay, sinalat siya dito, wala pa.
Ate Eva!
Sino na, let's take a picture na with Lalat. Okay, later na lang po. Dito na tayo ate, abis na libra. Ayan, dito na tayo lapit na po. Dati. Okay na ate, abis dito na lang po mga tayo. Ate, dito ka sana. Ate, sana pa. Okay, kids. Gaya na sinabi po, when I say kids, you know who shout, hooray, and praise your mommy. Let's go! In 3, 2, 1, kids, you know. One more, but louder. In 3, 2, 1, Kinsuna. Okay, ang ganda naman na siya ako. Limon, sita lang kayo. Sita ako na sita. Ano lang, let's go. Okay, may tanong pa po kami sa inyo ng lalat siya. Ano yung lalat siya? Okay, sino na gusto ng party dito sa Kinsuna? Ayan, lahat sila lalagyan. Kaya naman, let's go lalagyan. Let's go to parents and guardians. Parents and guardians, good afternoon. It's a nice to offering a very good party. Cottages, if you are interested po, please inquire our counter area and they'll be happy to assist you po. Thank you so much. Okay, girls, nag-enjoy ba kayo? Alright. Ano yung lalagyan? Okay, sabi niya ako siya nag-enjoy din niya po siya sa kasama kayo. But for now, she is now feeling sad. Bakit kaya? Babalik na daw po siya ng Japan kasi mayroon ba nag-birthday party. Okay, pag-birthday party kayo dito, nandito si Lalat-chan. Okay? Yes, when I count to 3, let's all say goodbye to Lalat-chan. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Bye, Lalat-chan! Okay, thank you so much, kids, for joining with us. I hope you really enjoy your stay here at Kinsuna. Let's create a fun and memorable experience all here at Kinsuna. Bye-bye! Alright, all those who want to show a picture, pwede na lang po tayo sa event area. Thank you so much!